We just got a warranty from the neighbors about the skunks. It looks like what that is. Yeah, there's a raccoon around too, she said. And the skunk makes a stink, but a raccoon can cause a lot of damage with their claws. So we have to be careful with that. So we are trying so hard to get a few days of nice weather to do our adventures here. And I guess we got like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday maybe, I don't know, but next week it says we got some nice days, good temperatures, 24 to 26, and but pretty soon I'm just gonna go and because summer's going to be over before I get anything done like this. And then winter will be back and stuck in the house again. So if I know it's nice to go with the sun and stuff like that, but a little bit of cloud, a few showers does not bother me, and we got to get out and do these things, or they're just not going to get done.